I've been without my arm about 3 or 4 years. I don't like to remember the date because it's not fun. I had an infection and they were unable to fix it, so they had to amputate. I woke up and I didn't have an arm. This study is supposed to be to see if they can get natural feelings and be able to get the prosthetics to respond to people. They put 3 leads into my back, I guess into the spine area. It was not painful at all. It's just that you have to hold still. And I found that the worst part because I don't hold still very well. But it didn't hurt. I'm not sure what phantom sensations are, but for me, I feel like I still have an arm. I still have a hand. There are times that I think I can move my fingers and I have to look down and there's not really a hand there. They call it phantom because there's no such thing, but I can feel it. They work things out on the computer to try to do mapping and figure out exactly what's connected to what, where it comes out. They have a little tablet and you get to draw where the sensations are. They have various little things they're testing. Sometimes I laugh when the current is high because I wonder who would sit here and let people run electricity through them. So I think it's funny. Like, am I in my right mind? Probably not. Hopefully now we're going to try to test on the amazing arm. It's startling to see things or feel things move when I know there's no hand there, but I can feel it. And they can make the palm of my hand feel like it's the palm of my hand. It's pretty exciting. Now my forearm back towards my elbow. You have to wonder what it's going to do and what it can do and what it'll eventually do when it's actually finished and ready for people to have. And I'd like to think that the next people, the younger people coming up, are going to have all this already for them.